Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create second Brawl Star account step by step. So the first step you need to do is to open Brawl Stars. So once this game is open, okay, you need to wait for few seconds here so that the game will be open. Okay, so now it is connecting to the server. Okay, you need to wait. Okay, once it is open, here you can see that I log in with this account. So you simply need to click on three bars on the top right. Here you can see different options. You simply need to come on Supercell ID. Here you can see skip. Okay, already registered. So new to Supercell ID, register now. Click on continue. And here you need to add your new email, new password, and click on register. Once you register, your ID will be created. And the first step is you need to create ID. Then the next step is you need to verify. And then the next step is done. So once you done that, your second ID will be created, and after that you simply need to switch your ID, and you can log in into your new ID, and you can switch your ID from here once you have created. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.